You moved into the old Miller place, huh?
Yep, just moved in this morning.
You know what happened here, right?
What do you mean?
I said too much.
You need any help, honey?
No, this is the last of them.
What are you doing, Maya?
Oh, hi, Dad. The weird neighbor kid said something happened at this house, so I was seeing if I could find anything about it. Dad, did you know a little girl died here in this house?
What? Really? What happened?
I don't know. One day she was perfectly fine, and then the next day she was dead.
Well, I hope her ghost isn't still here.
Did you turn on the radio?
Nope, wasn't me.
That was weird. Good night, Mom. You look like you need a hug.
Do-do, do-do, da-do, 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 da-do.
Ghosty, you're my best friend.